Hi everyone, Sarah here from Growing Home and Garden. Today we're doing a quick video on how to pinch or prune back your baby basil seedlings. One of the main reasons you want to do this for your seedlings in particular is so they don't end up like this guy over here. This is a basil plant that I got from the grocery store, and it is very long, very spindly. It's not being shown in its best light because I did use some of it already, but the plant really flops over. It's not big and bushy like it would ideally be. We're gonna train these baby seedlings. These are the Genovese basil plants that I grew from seed from High Mowing Organic Seed Company. And we want to be sure that these have the best chance at being super strong, super full of branches, and very highly productive. This is incredibly simple to do. All you'll need is some scissors or some garden snips of some kind. And you could even use your fingers to make the little pinch or the cut if you don't have any scissors on hand. As you can see here, we have some basil plants that are stronger than others. Some of them have flopped over already. They've gotten a little bit more leggy. This pinching or pruning will really help them to avoid flopping over and really strengthen the plant with branching. Let's start with this seedling here. So you're going to want to make the cut above the first set of true leaves. Now, where is the first set of true leaves? It's not the first set of leaves that the plant has. These are just the leaves that really poked out of the ground first. These are called cotyledons. They are not true leaves. So you'll go to the next set up, and for this plant, it's this set of hardy looking leaves here. You want to make your cut about 1/4 to 1/2 inch above that first set of true leaves, and new branches will form on the sides of your cut. I don't have a ton of space here in between, but I will go ahead and cut right above that set of true leaves, giving as much room as I can. I'll snip them right off and keep this basil for a meal. And then I'm just gonna go through and do exactly the same to the others. So again, cotyledons, we need to go to the first set of true leaves, and we have a little bit more space on this one, so we'll cut above the first set of true leaves, leaving about 1/4 inch. Easy, simple. You can already see even this plant, for example, or this nursery can, for example, these were way floppier before. We can now consider these guys pinched. We'll see new growth coming off of the sides of where we made the cut, and that will encourage our plant to produce tons and tons more basil than it would have before. We don't want anything to end up like this. This guy's really sad. This is really going to encourage the plant to be way more productive and stronger than it would have been. And I know they look a little bit sad now because they've been chopped, but trust me, they will end up producing so much more, and you'll be thankful that you did pinch them at this stage. So thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like this video and subscribe. Comment down below whether you've ever started basil from seed. This was my very first time, and I found that it is a little bit of a slow grower. 68 days to maturity, it says here on the packet. But I'm super happy that I'm gonna have really an abundant basil harvest this year. And one of the ways I can ensure that is through pinching. So thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.